that a lawsuit has been filed against Ms. Curran. She has, in our view, defamed Mr. Croskery by making and republishing false allegations, and Mr. Croskery intends to use the court of law to defend his reputation.
Welcome back to the channel to all my viewers and subscribers, and welcome to all the new viewers. So in today's video, we're going to take a look at an incident in which a member from the alternative media, Shelly and Curran, was sued by former SSL executive Mark Croskery. So in a nationwide article published this morning, the article states that the legal team for the former stocks and securities that are SSL Chief Executive Officer Mark Croskery has filed a major lawsuit against blogger and businesswoman Shelly and Curran. For those of you guys who do not know, Mark Croskery is the son of the owner of SSL. That's where Usain Bolt money was missing from. So he was the Chief Executive Officer at a point in time in which Usain Bolt money was also at SSL. He then left to start his own financial institution. The lawsuit centers on statement Curran made on her talk show. Curran has been sued for damning comments by social media user which she republished on her various social media accounts. Mr. Croskery attorney Monique Morrison said the businessman and former SSL executive is seeking aggravated damages. So me gonna play a recording with him lawyer and explain as to what go on.
The matter is sub judice, therefore I will limit my comments. But yes, I can confirm that a lawsuit has been filed against Ms. Curran. She has, in our view, defamed Mr. Croskery by making and republishing false allegations, and Mr. Croskery intends to use the court of law to defend his reputation against any and everyone who has sought to malign him without basis. And he is confident that justice will prevail in this matter.
The lawsuit note that Curran has not yet responded to requests to remove the reportedly defamatory material. Ms. Morrison say allegation republished by Curran that her client is a fugitive of the law who is wholly false. The attorney declared in the suit that her client is not responsible for or connected to allegations of fraud facing SSL and has no reason to be on the run, nor was he on the run. Ms. Morrison say attempts by Curran to connect her client to the fleecing of Spring King Usain Bolt are mischievous, malicious, and lack merit. The attorney for Croskery say her client is seeking damages arise out of allegations made in one YouTube video, 3 Instagram posts, and 3 Twitter posts published by Curran and are about the 23rd of January this year. So now that you guys have heard the details from the news article from Nationwide about this lawsuit from Mark Croskery to Shelly and Curran, let me know how you feel about this in the comment section. If you feel like Mark have all right for the way him do, or if you think this is a ploy to silence the alternative media. You see, nowadays most people consume them news from off of YouTube. People now watch TVJ or CVM again. Or even most people overseas, them watch YouTube, them watch the bloggers them to hear what really are going on in the country. Because news from TVJ and CVM is more structured. Them people now go in the in-depth, them now get the first-hand information or get the intel on the ground. Even if they do get it, them can't come on TV, come say certain things for reasons like this. So you now hear TVJ and CVM come blatant and say such and such thief, such and such money. You not gonna ever hear that because them know say them have a responsibility to make sure the news that them have put forth in the public is to the best of their knowledge and truthful as possible. So now when you have a blogger like me or any other blogger we know from Jamaica can come on YouTube and just turn on the mic and just start talk. Somebody tell them say, you know, say the sky blue or the sky green, them can just come on and say the sky green without no form of accountability. So when a lawsuit like this come forth now, this was just a matter of time before something like this happen. Because sometimes when you listen to some YouTube video, some people make some allegation for some people without no fact, no form of evidence, no form of proof. Them just say certain things and left it as a stand, and then people run with it. So when you go up on the internet and make allegation against people like them here in a higher society, in which you know have money, can file a case in the Supreme Court against him for defamation of character, you have to be mindful as to what you ask. I remember, you know, the law is not just for them alone. It's just the fact that them can afford to hire a lawyer who know the ins and outs as to how to file the suit. I look at you down in the ghetto where you hear say involved in a badness and you come on the media and call him name. Him not have money, him even know the first thing, him even know say you can be sued if the person make certain allegation and can't prove it. So when you look on the comment section under the article, the amount of people you have. That's what I always say, you know, Jamaican people, they don't read. Them don't have knowledge of nothing, them go off of feelings and what somebody tell them. You have to have knowledge and you have to have understanding of the law and how things work. Anybody can file a suit against anybody from you make certain allegation and you can't prove it. Then you have to comment them with the people them and say freedom of speech is dead in Jamaica. Because if they said that in America, then him couldn't file a lawsuit. If you remember, say America is the lawsuit capital. Anything you do, you get sued in America. And freedom of speech does not mean freedom of consequence. Let me repeat that again. Freedom of speech does not mean freedom of consequences. So when you come on the internet and you make certain speech about people and try to defend them character, that don't mean say nothing gonna happen to you. Yeah, you have the right to say what you want to say, but them also have the right to sue you for what you say. And you have to can prove it. Anything what you say, you know, you can say anything, but long as you can prove what you say to be fact or truth, you have documentation for show what you say or where you get your information from, then you don't have a problem. You can come and say this and this money a thief, but if you can prove say a thief, then him can't sue you, or their lawsuit won't have any grounds to stand on. So if she come on the internet now and say such man a thief or such man flees Usain Bolt money, she have facts to back up what she say. You can't just come and say that. In the business world, you know, you go off a character or you go off of your name then, basically. And if somebody type in your name on the internet and that the information pop up about you, say you're a thief or you fleece out man money and all of them something, it damper your business. So you have to understand that when I say him not involved, I mean I say him involved. But if you are say him involved, make sure you can prove say him involved, or else you are in a problem. With this lawsuit, you know, it's a precedent this set in the country, you know. So from him do it, everybody else are going to jump on it and do it. But long as you have your information, the bloggers them no need for worry. So to all of my fellow bloggers then, if you get some information about an incident or about an individual and you decide you're going to make a video about it, please, from you don't have legal document, from you don't have documentation to prove what you say, make it known say this is alleged or this is just an allegation. Because we know say we get some legit information sometimes, but we can't prove it. We don't have no form of documentation, we don't have video, we don't have nothing to prove what we are saying. But we know based on the grounds, based on the facts that we hear is on the ground and people are passing credible information there. So to cover yourself, just make it known say this is alleged and this is just a rumor or unconfirmed rumor. Make it known as that. Don't make it seem like say what you talk is law without you can prove in no way, shape or form. So what you talk a truth. As long as you not come and sensationalize your story and you have information we can back up your claim, then you don't have nothing to worry about. Don't come and try to spread false news from people. That's what they always say now. We know from where I grow with here say don't work a court. You can't come and say this and man tell you this and somebody tell you in a corner this and you don't have no fact for back up anything what you say. Because people sometimes pass on information maliciously. They may not like that person for whatever reason and come tell you things that your company can come say it and which nothing no go so. My viewers know how voice of the victim operating. Anything we come say, we have a documentation for proof. That's why I choose the route here. I could have come on the internet and just attack off my mouth without no farmer proof or no farmer documentation for sure. So even if somebody try to sue me can show them where I get the information from. I'm always try to lean to the government institution them. So the documentation that I get are from government institution. I come say what I feel like or come say what somebody tell me. And the bloggers them always remember, you know, not because you can say something that means you must say it. Let me repeat that again. Not because you can say some things that mean you must say it. And as I say, every action have an equal and opposite reaction. So be mindful as to what we are doing and what we are company media come say. And then we shouldn't have no problem. Shouldn't have no problem, you know. You don't need to dumb down nothing what you say. But just make sure anything what you say you can prove it. And then things like this won't be able to reach us. So who to tell Shelly and may have some information where implicate this money in the fleece that you see about money. We don't know. And if you have a platform, you can't just go about and repost statement and comment from people on your platform. It's like you co-sign, you endorse everything with the person they are saying. So even though you do not say it or you did not say it, you endorse what your next person said by publishing it on your platform. So this is a warning for all of the bloggers them out there, including myself. Now some are perfect, we may make a couple mishaps here and there, but this is a learning lesson for y'all. So me, I'm gonna take heed and even tighten the screw a little more for my thing. So if you like the content, please let me know how you feel about this whole incident. If you feel like the alternative media has been attacked by the elites, or if you think this is applied by Andrew Wellness, as obviously enough people have set up. So let me know how you feel about this in the comment section. Please like and share. Share the content. Let me know how you feel about it in the comment. Like I always said, always remember to hug your loved ones. See you in the next video.